grill it so they have the grill mark.
Hey, birthday boy.
Put it in the oven.
Birthday boy. You're like sweet 16? What about you? Birthday girl?
It's not my birthday. July 15.
Ooh, looking good, looking good. Huh? Let me see. Open. Let's see if you guys are good. Ooh.
Off the camera.
Let's see. It's burning, it's burning. Hey, hey, hey. What up, dude?
You want me to get it?
How's school today?
Good.
Rahsen, is today your birthday too?
Yeah.
Yes? Today? 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 Oh, hey, what did you do? Huh? What? Oh yeah? See, he's mad. Go apologize to him.
Okay.
Okay? Hey, what's going on, guys? Yep, we're out here. We're doing it the Chuukese way, island style, doing barbecue at night. It's getting dark already. It's dark out here. Oops, oh, I almost burnt myself. Burnt myself. Anyway, yep, we almost done. Okay. Woo! I don't know if that's just the allergy or that's a sign that I want the food that we're cooking. But seriously, guys, it's really dark out here. But like I said, we're doing it the island way. Yeah, we're cooking out in the dark. Okay, so yeah, this is the whole crew. All right. So we got Mars, we got Willianter. I mean, that's Alex.
Oh.
That's Alex, and that's who's this? Kainoa?
Yeah.
Huh? Kainoa and Willianter. Oh! Hey, can you stir the chicken? Yeah. Sorry, guys. What do we got? Okay. Alright, well, we'll see you guys in a little bit. We'll see you when the fish starts. Alright? Hi, girl.
Hi.
Long time no see, girl. Now, where's Casey?
She's at her school.
Huh?
She's at school.
I bet. Oh, when she will, oh, ye married method. Mac. What's that, Mac?
No.
Okay. What is that?
No,
What's that? The shrimp? Okay. There's no veggie? There's no veggie.
salad.
Huh? No, ayos. Okay. Go call them. Tell everybody to come. Is really hungry? Where's Chinese?
On top.
Huh? Five Chinese? Huh? Where's Chinese? But they have no visitor. Huh? Where you been, Cici?
I went somewhere with my grandpa.
Where? Somewhere. Be specific.
I went to that was your grandpa.
What store? Huh?
TJ Maxx.
What for? What did you do at TJ Maxx?
I went to go buy a dress.
A what?
I went to go buy a dress.
For what? Huh? Where's your mom? Ayan. Nag-check mo kasi.
I know how you guys got it because you left. So that's where I explained what to do. Yeah, well we had this one.
Thanks to our chef right here.
Yeah.
So Willie has to thank you guys for cooking for our dinner tonight.
It was me, Josh.
Yeah.
So I can see why the chicken is really looking ugly and burned because you guys are in charge tonight.
That's him.
Huh? Alright. So while we're on this side. Huh?
Where's the birthday boy? Rahsen, do your personality. Can I get some rice? Good. Not big.
What?
Happy birthday, Rahsen.
Not big.
Oh, it's my birthday too.
Not big. That's not big.
My bad.
Sorry.
Ow, thank you.
What?
I already got enough.
Done.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna
Where's your friend? What's his name? Greatest.
Just a minute. Here, that's right. Yeah, he's downstairs.
You have to call him.
Oh, I thought this was hot sauce. Julian,
Where? Yeah, dude.
Yum.
Why did you guys bring it?
This one? Mikey! Stop!
Here, I'll
Mommy, this already was right over here. That was
Hey, bring that over here! T-shirt guys can come sing to me. Sing to
Where's
me.
Rahsen?
Mark, I know. Everybody, so you guys can come sing to me. Sing to me. Who's that? Where's Pia?
Put on my shoulder and walk.
Pass it in, man.
That's it.
Alex, you gotta go. Oh man, like, come on.
Yeah.
You go. Check it
Hurry up.
out. Check it out.
Call everybody.
Come on.
Come, greatest? Is it greatest? Greatest? Yeah.
Just kind of pull it back.
Here, transfer. Did they
Okay.
It's all like
Put this on that side, please.
Self happiness though. Oh, I mean,
It's your birthday?
Hey, Rahsen.
It's your birthday?
Rahsen and Alex. Put over here.
Okay,
You have to speak louder so I can get them on the video. So, what do you want to say?
Thank God for giving me 9 years of 10 years of life.
Huh?
I was thanking the Lord for giving me 10 years of life.
10 years of life. Okay. Alright. How about you, Alex?
Why?
huh?
Got anything to say?
Yeah. I wanna thank the Lord to give me 19 years of life,
Oh boy, that's old.
and hopefully I get more years to live.
Okay.
You're not recording.
Happy birthday to you. Dude, get up on the face here. So we got TC. Birthday boy.
What do you want, Cookie?
I want cupcake. I want cupcake. Cupcake good for you.
Use it.
Cut the cake.
The birthday boy doesn't know the birthday.
He said no, right? You said no? You said no? No, you said yes. No, you said no. Yeah, no.
What? What?
You said you give me after.
What?
Your phone?
Huh?
Go.
Why you gotta use your phone? You're not gonna eat cake?
Nope.
You don't wanna eat cake? Diabetic?
No.
You're gonna get diabetes?
Can I download?
What?
Can I download?
Huh?
Can I download?
What?
Can I download?
Download what?
Again.
Okay.
And I have that paper.
Felma, do you wanna say anything to all the Chuukese before you head down to Chuuk?
Bro!
Huh?
Bro!
What?
They really prepared.
You wanna tell them to prepare some coconut and some banana? Huh?
Dude, it's going to stay here. Oh, there's my plate.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excuse me.
These guys are cutting the
And
cake.
then right here,
They're
right
taking
here.
too much time, but I cannot wait to
Cece, hurry up!
eat the cake.
Hurry up!
I want my cake and my ice cream.
Well, I have your ice cream.
Hurry up. Gariba. Vámonos. And why are you laughing?
Oh, look how beautiful this is.
Wow, Gloria.
Do one more.
One more.
Alright guys, it's the end of the vlog. I hope you smash that like button. Shout out to Alex and Rahsen. Comment down below what you...
That was so bad. Delete that.
Get it.
Alright guys, it's the end of the vlog. Hope you like this video. Smash that like button. Shout out to Alex, Rahsen, Mars Fully Answer for making the food. It was delicious. And make sure to comment down below what you want us to do in the next videos. Peace.
Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. Like and subscribe. My shorts just got stuck to the chair. That's because my day is going so bad right now. Monster was supposed to do the end of the video, but he's doing just so doo-doo. Alright guys, it's the end of the vlog. I have to do the outro because Miles is so doo-doo.
Alright guys,
It's the end of the vlog. Dude, you want to get this done or not?
Yes, Mars.